Multipurpose dam gi gate sing miyam da information amata pidana hangdoktuna district ahum da ichang gi chaithing chawna phangkhiba ki mathakta yengsinna ba MPCC ki president Kaisam Megachandra governor da memorandum pisinkhre MPCC ke general secretary W Samjai Singna lutingduna delegation amana pisin kiba memorandum aduda hadak thokiba ichaw ga mari leinana Supreme Court natraga Manipur High Court ki retired judge natraga retired justice ki committee na water resources department ki commissioner chief engineer amadi executive engineer gi mathakta September thagi tarik tara mari amadi tara manga da Imphal East West amadi Thawal district ka thokiba ichawga mari leinana inquiry chathagadabani laingak na piba compensation gi senpham gi matangda amadi survey report sing official website ta publication tawgadabani amadi governor na demand sing asigi chapchaba mathau sing tawbiyu haiba warol sing yauri
Nam pulap tharakpadagi asagi makhada downline je leriba stream sigi downline je leriba miyoi praja kaya gi awa ana amata ba asagi yum thumbadagi hendokna law nga farm gari aduga mi phawba mi ani phawba mai khogi life mang ki ba si ki ba asigi maram se khra maina tawbano haidana akhoi di chief engineer ga chatna koi yengchna bo tamda dam si samaina sing si overflood oire aduna akhoi dam ase thara ani aduga nakoi makhada leiba sing se alert leiro samaina dam se thara ani habagi without any information karigumba information amata pidana asage dam ase thak launa thadharak padagi hariba natural flood nataba akhoi artificial man made flood mina semba adugumba isaoma thokna Imphal East Imphal West amadi Thawal gi asigum laba lokthom kaya ngagi farm kaya yum kaya sumna asai yam lejadaba kanggu phalang akhoi gi leibak na taiga saba kanggu di hariba yum amsung ma ki sangoi punma loina mang khaba tektana leifam leitadana yamna awa mayok na khaba sigi asagi compensation se masi government deriva government PR asina masi PR tawgadabani moina masi pigidabani sigi responsibility se moi koi gini masi tawbiyu haiba oil manga yawba adu memorandum mani oil manga say go to the affected persons and areas haibasi gasagi choiba mafam singa se deputy commissioner na survey tawraga masi mayamda hariba miyoi sing asi soe hariba area sing asi soe abasi asagi publication tawba khanghanba aduga manga subada publications of the action taken report by the honorable governor na hariba sigi without asagi infokana na dam si opal tawribano order laitana anana authority kanana tharibano authority wariba midogi mathakta kari action local lagbage habase governor na public khangalba